Hi, if you want to know how to disconnect, forget, reset, and then reconnect your AirPods on your iPhone with iOS 18, don't forget to watch this video until the end. So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then find this Bluetooth tab. It's right under the Wi-Fi. So, we would need to open it and here find our earbuds in the My Devices list. So as you can see, these are mine and they are currently connected. So we would need to click on this information icon. Here, scroll to the end of this page until you'll be able to find this button, forget this device. So we would need to click on it and then once more on the red button. Now we would need to choose forget device once more, and this is it. We have successfully forget them on this exact phone. And now to restart our earbuds, we would need to firstly make sure that our earbuds are charged at least on 20%. Now as a next step, we would need to take our case with both earbuds inside and open it. After this, you would need to hold this button on the back for about 10 to 15 seconds until this indicator at the front will switch from white to orange. So let's do it. I'll start holding the button and wait until the indicator will become orange. And now when you can see the indicator blink by orange, and also if you have the second AirPod, you can also hear a little beeping. Now when the indicator is white again, we should be able to reconnect our earbuds to our phone. So let's close the case and then open it again and wait until they will appear on our phone. If that didn't happen, you can try to disable the Bluetooth, but as you can see, it wasn't needed. Now we would need to click this connect button. And this is it. Now, as you can see, we have successfully reconnected our earbuds. Here we can see some instructions. And that's all. We have successfully reconnected our AirPods Pro. I hope this video was helpful for you and have a great day.